Hi, I'm 𝑇𝐸 𝐂𝐚𝐧, licensed loan officer in Michigan, and I help first-time home buyers build equity and wealth without hassle. Thanks so much for watching my video. Love to have you here. So this is a great video. I'm going to talk about the #1 mistake first-time home buyers make and help you avoid these mistakes. The number one mistake that first-time home buyers make is they start house hunting before being pre-approved. So what that means, they start going to open houses, they start contacting realtors, they start looking at different houses and stuff like that when they haven't been pre-qualified or pre-approved. So what that means is that you don't know what your payment's going to be, you don't know if you qualify, you don't know the loan program, and I can go on and on. Big mistake. Make sure you talk to a lender, get pre-approved, know what your payment is, know what you can afford, then contact a realtor, then go look at homes. That's the way. Because if you're looking at homes and you don't know if you're pre-qualified, let's say you find a home that you fall in love with, can you have it? Can you not have it? So you're kind of wasting your time, but sometimes it is good to go out and look a little bit. But that is the #1 mistake. People start backwards. They start house hunting first. Now, I know I told you #1, but there's also another big mistake that first-time home buyers make. And what that is spending more than what they can afford. What I mean is buying a home with a higher payment than you can afford or want. So what happens, you become house poor. Don't let it happen to you. Stick to your budget. Know what you want your payment to be and do not go outside of that. Do not buy a home if it's really stretching it. So that's another mistake. People buy homes and then they realize a year later that they're broke and that payment is killing them. So those are the mistakes first-time home buyers make. If you have more mistakes, comment below and let me know. But those are the 2 biggest mistakes first-time home buyers make. Spending more than what they can afford and going house hunting and not being pre-approved first. Thanks so much. I'll see you again on the next video.